Lordship, on the memo, Your Lordship. Earlier occasion, this honorable court ordered notice to the respondent and also summons to the counsel before the trial court, and it has been served. In fact, there was an order after service of the summons, it may be taken up like.
Yes.
Lord, no for being spoken to, my lord. Your lordship had ordered the matter and disposed, my lord. With regards to visitation, as granted overnight visitation, my lord. Certain clarifications has to be made, my lord. It may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, it is RPFC, my lordship. She is a more than a wife. It is a 125 case dismissed. She more than 80 years, my lordship. That's the urgency, my lordship.
Capture tomorrow. Yes.
My lord, the family court has impounded the passport of the petitioner, but due to which, my lord, he is unable to travel anywhere. That is the reason, my lord, I'm moving the memo. The service is also complete, my lord. May I request for tomorrow, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, it's a wife's petition seeking enhancement. I had moved couple of memos, my lord, the matter.
Which year is that?
My lord, it's 2025. It was filed in March. I filed that.
There are so many matters which are pending for enhancement. Why should there be a 2025 matter to be taken out of turn?
No, my lord, it is not listed even once, my lord, even for issuance of.
Yes. For that it is.
I had
Please.
moved the memo yesterday, my lords. The matter was settled in mediation. Subsequent to the settlement, my
Why
lords,
is it not listed? Yesterday we were given the memo. If office objections are there,
objection is this, my lord. I challenged the very issuance of summons. I challenged the summons and summons is at Annexure E. They are telling
that you have to submit to them. What is that? Office objections. No, I'm making it very clear to all the advocates. Office objections, the matter I'll not at all hear. Because with the office objections, the matter is, pending like that for years together. Office objection is something which has to be complied with even before the matter comes before the court.
I'll do it today, my lord. The lordship can carry the matter to
If that's why it is not listed. If it is, it will come.
for tomorrow, my lord,
Yes.
comply the office objections.
That's what. They will not post, even if all these objections are given them clear instructions for these kind of things, for all the, what is it called, clerical things, it will not be posted before the court unless and until legal issue to be addressed. Yes.
For tomorrow, my lord, if all the objections.
Yes.
My lord, sir, interim maintenance was stayed by the lower court, my lord, sir. Trial court, 6,000 was granted, my lord, sir. Interim maintenance. That has been stayed by the IA number 4, my lords. The trial court
It is stayed by the very same court.
Yes, my lords. By the same court, my lords.
Yes. Day after tomorrow.
My lords, I'm challenging the interim order directing me to pay an extra 20,000 and I'm already paying to 50,000. This is a fresh matter. However, there is an office objection to which I have made a counsel submission.
What is the submission? What is the objection?
My lords, basically we have also given the assets and liabilities. Some of the pages in that are not very clear. We do not have
Then you
access
don't
to
file
the-
it. Then you don't file it. But those objections for that, office objections has to be clarified. For that, there is no counsel submission. It will not come up before the court. A particular copy is not legible. And according to you, if it is, you are not.
Not relying on those. set
Then remove
pages.
that.
Majid,
Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
Page-wise adjournment. Page 2, orders.
Not required.
Yeah.
From interlocutory.
Page number 3, hearing on interlocutor application, serial number 12. Page number 4, serial number 13 to 19. Page number 5, serial number 20 to 29.
21, my lord.
Page number.
Till number 21.
21. Yes.
Next week.
Why?
My lord, today I've got some memos.
Is this matter on 25th?
Please.
Yes.
Page number 6, serial number 30 to 37.
Yes.
Can you adjourn this?
Use the mic, ma'am.
My lordship, we got the petition copy 2 days ago. My senior counsel is not in town. He'll be back on Wednesday,
Which one?
23rd, my
37?
lordship.
37.
37.
37, my lordship.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, my lordship.
You appear for the petitioner or the respondent?
I'm for the respondent, my lordship.
Have you informed Bindu?
Yes,
Learn counsel for the respondent seeks time. It is submitted that already the same is informed to the counsel for the petitioner. Lizzie's matter on 28th. Yes.
Page number 7, serial number 38 to 44. Page number,
Serial number 41, respondent. 2 weeks time.
Why?
Senior not well.
Inform the counsel for the
I'm
petition.
appearing for petition.
At the request of one counsel, the respondent lists this matter after 2 weeks.
page number,
No, list this matter on 11th of August.
Grateful.
Yes.
page number 8, serial number 45 to 54.
53 mil.
Hmm.
I'm representing the respondent. I have informed the other side, my lord, the copy of the petition I have requested to serve. It is not been served. So,
Then counsel for the respondent gave it a 6 time. And it is submitted, the papers are not served on him. This is a matter on 24th, the counsel for the petition.
the interim order subsisting may be continued. There is an interim order.
Yes.
My lord, serial number 54, my lord. 54, my lord. 1 week time may be granted. My senior got accident yesterday. That's why.
You're for the,
Petitioner, my lord.
inform the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, for the respondent, we are ready for the hearing.
He says he met with an accident.
Senior got accident.
It is submitted that the respondent counsel
So you
met with an
want
accident.
judgment?
And seeks time, list this matter after on 30th. Look at it, interim order is there, extra.
Serial number 50, my lord, I appear for serial number 50. I appear for
50.
50, please.
Hmm.
Senior is not in station, my lord. May I request for a week's accommodation?
Where is the other side?
But I will inform, my lord.
No, I will, you have to.
My
Come
lord,
back
serial
to the
number
matter.
45, highly pray for a week's time to be granted.
45.
Respondent counsel.
Everything at this time, it can't be done. When the matter is called, we'll do that time. Yes, call the
Serial
rest.
number 47, my lord. And for the petitioner, respondent and the respondent counsel both are informed. Which seeks for a short-
47.
47
You appear for,
petitioner.
at the request of learned counsel, the petitioner. This is this matter on 18th of August.
Interim order may be issued.
Look at it.
Please.
My lord, 45, application to release the amount has not been filed. So.
Doesn't matter. We'll ask him
Because,
to.
arguing counsel got married recently, so she's not available.
No, for releasing the amount doesn't matter. It is not some kind of an adverse order.
No, we want to give
When you have deposited the amount, what's the difficulty to withdraw?
My lord, I need instruction. We'll file a formal objections to it.
No, this court without an application in the order itself, if this court has passed the interim order, that will be there. On deposit, permitted to
Deposit
withdraw.
or the interim order of interim maintenance of 5,000 to be paid. We are paying the 5,000 maintenance.
That's what they will release. That's what he's asking for, release of that amount.
My lord, 1 week time might be granted. I'll seek instruction.
Which is that?
45.
45.
At the request of learned counsel, the petition is this matter after week.
Much obliged.
Yes.
For dismissal, serial number 1, Sharat Kumar GM for petitioner.
This is a red petition of 2023. Even till now, the petitioner has not paid the process for issuance of notice to respondent. Yesterday, when the matter came up under the caption for orders, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner, as the matter was directed to be registered today under the caption for dismissal. Today also, no representation. It appears that the petition is not accordingly dismissed.
Appearing for the respondent, my lord.
My apologies for not appearing yesterday.
Yes.
Matter was settled last week between the parties, my lord.
It's already settled.
We have to file a joint memo, my lord. So week's time may be granted.
It is submitted at the first deletes from the caption for dismissal. It is submitted that the disputes between the parties are amicably settled and they'll come up with a joint memo. This is the matter on 23rd.
Much obliged, my lord.
For orders, matter, serial number 3,
One humble submission. 28th, my lord.
28.
serial number 3,
Notice to the respondent is returned unserved with a postal shara, unclaimed, almost redeemed service of notice.
Serial number
Print the
4.
name of the respondent. List this matter on 21st. Yes?
4. Yes.
I'm filing a withdrawal memo. It is settled in the family court, ma'am.
It is
Amicably
submitted at the main MC, that is MC number 4789 of 2019. Itself is amicably settled between the parties. Hence, nothing survives for consideration in this petition. And the petitioner wants to withdraw the same. Memo is taken on record and dismissed as withdrawn.
Serial number
Much
5.
obliged.
Serial number 5.
2 days time may be granted in this case, my lord.
Please sit down.
Defend respondent number 2 is my daughter, my lord. She is not, now she is not in station. She is in abroad for yesterdays. She will come on 23rd to India, my lord. Kindly after I undertake to file wakalat on behalf of respondent number 2.
Counsel appearing with the respondent undertakes to file wakalat on behalf of respondent number 2. List this matter on
23rd onwards, any date may be.
List this matter on 29th.
Please.
Meanwhile, interim order may be extended, ma'am.
Interim order, in all the matters, wherever interim order is there, extend.
Serial number
Yes.
6. Vikyat B.
In this case.
My lord, we undertake to file wakalat on behalf.
So and so submits that as instruction.
One submission, no, 6.1, they've already,
Mr. G. Balakrishna Shastri is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent in WP number 8243 of 2024. Then counsel shall serve the copy of the petition on the counsel. List the matter on 31st.
Serial number 7. Pallava R.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Appearing for a respondent.
My lord.
Tanna VR.
The respondent himself is appearing by the advocate is there. Again, why they put up this caption?
A petition copy is not received.
Huh?
Petition copy is not.
That will be. Oh, say number 7, already respondent is appearing. Why, what is the necessity for this? Non-filing of memo for having taken out notice. The memo, he himself is appearing. The counsel for the petition shall serve the copy of the said petition on the counsel for the respondent. List this matter on 31st.
31st. Thank you. Much obliged.
Serial number 8. Srinivas DC.
No representation for dismissal tomorrow.
Serial number 9.
I pay for petitioners in this matter, my lord. Week's time may be granted to furnish fresh PF, my lord.
Finally, a week's time. Default order.
Serial number 10.
Interim order may be extended.
List of the service of notice.
Serial number 11. Anil R.
MLS files power for respondent, my lord. 1 and 2, respondent.
It is submitted that so and so has instructions to file collect on behalf of so and so. The counsel for the petition shall serve a copy of the petition of the counsel for the respondent. List is marked on 31st.
Serial number 12.
If a respondent in this one.
The petitioner is supposed to pay the arrears of maintenance. They have been granted 2 months' time from this honorable court, but it's order dated 25/2/2025, your lordship, and they have not even served me with a copy of application. Now they are seeking for extension of times.
On 25/2/2025, an order is passed directing the petitioner to pay a sum of rupees 10,000 to respondent number 1 and 2, and arrears also at 10,000 from the date of petition.
As per the
And
order.
the arrears have to be paid within 2 months from the date of the order. When counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that they have failed to comply with the order, and they have now filed an extension petition, and even the said copy of the said petition is not served on the counsel. There is no representation. Next, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. This is this matter for dismissal tomorrow.
Serial number 13.
Notice.
Serial number 14.
My lord, this is in challenge to the final order passed in 125 CRPC, my lord. My lord, there's been a delay of 227 days.
That's why we'll order notice.
Please, my lord.
Serial number 15. K.L. Srinivas.
My lord, husband filed the petition, my lord. The trial court, my lord, 10,000 each in the respond number 1 and 2. My lord, the agriculture is to only,
How much
no
total?
income.
20,000 is granted.
Please, my lord.
Give that. When counsel the petitioner submits that, the court had granted 20,000, 10,000 maintenance each to wife and the daughter.
Please.
Daughter and his
Son. Please.
and is not in a position to pay the said amount, and he is an agriculturist, and these aspects were not considered by the court. Considering the submission, they shall be stay of all further proceedings. Same 10,000 arrears also 10,000. Yes.
Please.
Notice.
Notice to the respondent.
Number 16. Nagaraj ST.
Notice 173 days.
Serial number 17.
For the petitioner in this case,
Mokinuddin.
on last date of hearing, this court has directed me to produce a child before the trial court, Your Honor. But however, kindly see, Your Honor. We already produced a child before the trial court. This is the trial court order, Your Honor. If court directs, we will produce before this court.
That's what the court already directed.
No. Already child is produced before the trial court.
I think you understand the orders
Yes,
passed by the court. What is this?
Already child has been.
If the trial court interacts, that amounts to interacting by the High Court or
Yes.
the judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it?
No, not like that, Your Honor.
Then on 13-2, there is an order.
Actually, what happened, Your Honor?
Nothing actually. Do it. This court by order dated 13-2.
We will produce in the next date of hearing.
Directed the directed the petitioner to produce the child. The counsel for the petitioner submits that already interaction is done by the family court judge.
Not if I'm a senior civil judge, Your Honor.
Senior civil judge. This court is not able to understand when there is a specific direction by the court, why the petitioner is coming up with this kind of submissions. This is matter on 29th July.
22nd will.
22nd, 5 o'clock in the chambers. Yes, next.
Highly obliged.
Number 18. Preliminary hearing 18.
For the respondent 1 and 2, Your Honor, they have not served the copy of the annexure along with the petition, Your Honor. Only 5-6 pages of the.
Then counsel for the petitioner serve the entire red petition copy on the counsel for the respondent. List the matter on 31st.
Cell number 19. Rachita Rajshekar.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent. The main petition is disposed of.
When?
31, 2025.
31, 2025.
301,
It is submitted with the land counsel appearing to the respondent that the main MC
Yes.
itself is disposed of on 31, 2025. Recording the said submission, the petition is dismissed as instructions. Yes, next.
20. Gilraj
My lord, petitioner by me, my lord, wife, my lord, before this honorable court, filed application under 125, my lord, way back in 7/2/2022. Still now, my lord, the case, the IA has not been disposed.
Which court is this?
Family court, Bangalore.
Principal judge,
Fifth additional.
5th additional. The WP number 23178 of 2024 is filed. Seeking a direction to the 5th additional family judge at Bangalore to dispose of the IA that is filed in the year 2022. Is it?
120, yeah.
2022.
2022.
2022 seeking interim maintenance. It is a case that even till now, the said application is not disposed of. The 5th additional judge, family court, shall place a report before this court in this regard. Let's this matter on Friday. The Registrar Judicial is directed to communicate this order.
Cell number 21 adjourned. 22. We are Balraj.
The petitioner, my lords. The petitioner filed a GNWC case 60 of 2024 before the first additional family court, my lords. And the respondents is not appearing, they have not filed the objection also, my lords. And
You're for the
petitioner,
understand petitioner, wife or husband?
the husband,
Yes, what is the case filed with the husband?
the custody of the child, my lords.
Then
The respondent has not appearing before trial court also, my lords. And the child is in custody of the respondent sister. The child is not the respondent, my lords. And the,
what is the impugned order?
my lords, it's a direction, mandamus direction to dispose.
What's mandamus direction? What is that? Did you ask the court to do something that court has not done, that you have come before this court? For everything, you can't come to the High Court. Family court is also a court. It has also got powers. If something is not happening, you should have asked to do something. And if that is not considered, then you would have come to the court. You can't rush to the High Court like this. The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayers. And it is submitted that the respondent is not cooperating with the JNWC proceedings, that is JNWC number 60 of 2024. Hence, there shall be a direction to dispose of the petition as expeditiously as possible. This court is not able to consider the said request made by the petitioner. This is the JNWC of 2024. And 2020, there cannot be a direction to dispose of the matter. If any other relief, if it is the case of the petitioner that the respondent is not appearing before the court, she can file an appropriate application and the court will consider. But that cannot be a reason for this court to direct the court below, for the family court, to dispose of a petition of 2024. And this court finds no merits dismissed.
Bill number 23. Harsha Swarup.
My lord, appearing for the petitioner virtually.
Yes.
So this is a matter with respect to an order of the family court, my lord. The family court actually had passed an order for psychiatric evaluation and psychological counseling in basically with a family therapist. And basically, unfortunately,
Where is the order?
My lord, impugned order is IA number 8, which is order is IA number 8, annexure A. But we are not challenging the order, my lord. We have filed an execution petition on that order, and there was 2 months date given because the children are undergoing. Because here the difference is both the husband, wife, and the children all are staying in under one roof in this matter, my lord.
When was the application filed? When was the application filed?
My lord, this application was filed 3 months ago, my lord. 3 months ago. So it is not about the time of the application, the execution petition per se, when we requested the court that this is an important matter, 2 months adjournment was being granted. So that's the whole point here, because it's just to execute that order in the home, because both are in the home. Every day there is a quarrel happening between the husband, wife, and children in the same house.
Please come to the execution petition. Where is it?
Execution petition is in annexure B, my lord.
Page number.
Page number, my lord. The file is with my junior. If this may be passed over to the 2:30, I'll be coming that point. Obliged, my lord.
24.
No.
Arun go in touch.
Well, that's, I appear for the petitioner in this case. Petitioner's petition, my lord, seeking enhancement. Notice may be permitted to serve the counsel. Appear.
Yes, notice on the, and file a memo. Once the memo is filed, is the matter. Yes,
Okay.
Bill number 25. Gitara Devi MP.
Appearing for the petition, my lord. It's a father's appeal where the visitation rights of a overnight has been denied, my lord. With regards to that, my lord,
notice
please, my
and
lord.
summons.
And summons to the counsel appearing respondent.
Bill number 26.
Same in all the matters. Shall file a memo. Once the memo is filed, is the matter. Anita?
Counsel for respondent.
Once the memo is filed, list the matter. Tell the section that it has to be listed. Yes.
26, Lord, I appear.
Lordship, may I make one submission before he starts? The copy is served yesterday. In fact, they have filed an application for modification that was also rejected yesterday. So I may be given 2 days time I'll file my objection to the.
But the filing of objections is, till then, I'm not disturbing. He is every day calling, issuing WhatsApp messages, threatening that he will pick up the child and all that. Let him not precipitate these
That's
matters.
one submission. The order is very clear where it has mentioned alternative days, the Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, the timings they have mentioned between 5 to 7. The mother has to allow the father to meet the child. And in fact, other days, non-meeting days, it is between 7 o'clock, between the timings mentioned in the order to interact through video call. From the date of order, she was not allowing. And in fact, to that effect, we have filed an application for disobeying the order. That is also for pending consideration before the court. This is after that they have come before this honorable court and they have filed an application.
What I'm not able to understand is parties come to the court, take an order, and how can they not obey the order of the court?
That is the reason.
What is this attitude?
That's the
I make
reason,
a
Your Lordship.
submission. All what I could make a mention is that the learned judge did not go into the question, the age of the child. Age of the child is 3.5 years and it is with the mother. But the learned judge did not understand what would be the proximity if 3.5 years child is to be given physical custody for 2 hours, whole day and next day also. But that's the difficulty which Your Honor, my lords will have to understand.
Let her come up with.
But that's the reason, my lord. And I may state, my lord, let them file whatever their objections are. But let him not precipitate the matter for 2 days if they are seeking time. I don't mind granting a time to them.
Oh, anyhow, even if I hear you now, I'll not pass any order that the father cannot meet the child for 2 hours, custody cannot be given. Why not it be? What will happen?
Lord, may I submit?
Yes.
It is 3.5 years child. My lords will have to go into the question whether the baby has to be taken care during the whole day or can the father take care. Lord, father has no other female members. His mother is a gynecologist. She is always in the hospital. Father is employed. There is no other female member to take care of the male child. He is also a surgeon. He has to attend to his work. What would be the idea under which the child would be put to?
No, like is it what you're submitting is?
Feasibility is the only question.
That you're saying that the custody is taken, the boy is left at home and the father will go to the
Exactly.
hospital.
That has not been gone into. And 3.5 years child.
We will say in the evening when the father comes back from the hospital.
That I am
then
not.
you take.
I am not on that. But he was permitted even before this petition was filed. Mother did not disallow the father to come and visit. He was spending all the time with the child in the afternoon between 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Mother did not object to that. He was taking care of all this. That can be continued. That's not an objection. Physically picking up the child and taking the child, that was one difficulty which was faced. If the child wants the mother or the child's itineraries that are there, itineraries of the child is to be considered. And what would be the timings under which the child could be spared for physical custody?
First of all, if the father has taken the physical custody is given, what are the difficulties that are cropping up?
Exactly.
You will know once it is done. How will you know now?
That's one difficulty. I have explained what would be the child's reasons. I will point it to my lords. The child goes to the preschool, number one. Number two,
Please
he
come to the
returns.
impugned order. Now let me understand the fact. Please come to the impugned order. What
Go
is the
to
order
page
passed
37. Page 37.
Yes.
This is what the impugned order is.
Yes.
But the learned judge does not look into that it's 3.5 years toddler.
That is not. The Supreme Court in
That
several cases
Supreme
has
Court,
said, and this court has
Supreme
also
Court
granted
has said 3.5 years and more than 3.5 years.
Court is not given the custody, complete custody. It's
I'm not on that. Timings is what I'm saying.
Let's see the timings.
Yes,
Please come
ma'am.
to the order.
Go to the operative portion of the order. 1. On alternative days of the week, on Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are not on that. Number 2, on Sundays, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Not the male has to
We'll
keep the
see.
custody.
No, this order is passed when?
24/6/2020.
This condition number 1, let it continue. On condition number 2, we'll see.
Lordship,
Yes, but
only
that can
one-
be done.
To be taken slowly. How can that be like
Yes,
that?
I do understand. Only one submission, Your Lordship. Yesterday, they filed an application which is modification of the order that has been rejected. That was filed when I filed an application for disobedience of this order. From the day, that is the reason I want to place the
No,
material
first
on
of all,
record.
we'll ensure, now we'll grant an order as far as 2 is concerned. As far as 1 is concerned.
Yes,
tomorrow-
madam.
Today,
I'll permit, madam.
today let the father have the custody today.
Yes.
Yes, today.
Not the
court by
custody,
order.
madam, it's only
That's what interim
visitorial.
custody from between,
No, the custody means what cravings are there. He takes away. He gives the child chocolates, junk foods. All those things are being given.
Both are doctors, your lordship.
I
Even
know.
the mother also doctor, father also doctor.
the court has passed an order whereby the father is permitted to have the custody of the child between 5 to 7 p.m. on alternative days, that is Tuesday and Thursday, and on Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. When counsel appearing for the petition submits that the boy is aged 3.5 years and continuously staying from 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock, where there is no other female help at the home, and it is the father cannot take care of the interests of the child. The court, as considering the age of the child, first of all, when between 5 and 7, if the father has a custody, and how it goes on, basing on that, the court ought to have granted the further 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Considering the same, they shall be stay as far as condition number 2 is concerned, that on Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. the father shall have the custody. Then coming to the 2 days of the week, that is Tuesday and Thursday and Friday, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. is concerned, the father can have the interim custody of the boy between 5 to 7 p.m. and both the parties shall strictly adhere to the order passed by the court, and the father shall take the complete care of the boy, and if anything is required, he shall inform if any necessity arises, or the boy wants to go to the mother, the father shall call the mother, and in between, if the mother wants, she can talk to the father on with regard to the mother can talk to the father. Next, any disobedience of the orders passed by this court will be viewed very seriously. This is matter
Lordship, one
on 23rd.
kindly mentioning your lordship, the order which has stayed now, that is what they have submitted. There's no female member in the family.
He's saying that's what.
He's
but
saying. So
according-
that should be.
That is his submission. I'm
Correct.
not recording it.
No, only one request is that stay may be limited, because I said I will
Next
file
date
my.
of hearing.
only,
Till the
madam.
next date of hearing. Till stayed there till the next date of
Next
hearing.
week only.
Yes, 20th, this is matter on 23rd. And by the time the party shall submit before the court, how the visitation went on. Yes, next. Whatever, let them file. Yes, next.
Serial number for admission matter, serial number 7. E. Sukumar.
I appear for the petitioners, my lord.
And
for the respondent, my lord. My lordship was pleased to hear the matter on merit. You told the respondent to for argue on the merit of this matter, my lord.
I can't hear both of you what come to the court someday. When do you want?
Well, next week, my lord.
Yes, listen matter on 25th. Yes, next.
Serial
Date,
number
my lord.
25th.
Date, my lord.
25th, sir. 25/7.
Yes.
Much
Serial number 28. Troubling Murthy B.
This matter on 17/6/2025, there is no representation. Today also there is no representation. List this matter for dismissal tomorrow.
Serial number 29.
For the
Ravi
respondent.
Shankar. Turam but for.
Yes.
At the last occasion, it was adjourned on the ground, my lord, on 10/7/2024 order. Your lordship may kindly peruse 10/7/2024. 10/7/2024. While granting the stay order, but I submitted that a property standing in the name of the petitioner will be given in lieu of the final settlement. Thereafter, my lord, the affidavit of undertaking is filed on 22/7/2024 before this honorable court. Thereafter, my lord, they submitted they are not ready for this because nobody is coming forward to buy the property. At the last occasion, when it is listed before this honorable court, this court, my lord, has told to the petitioner, you sell the property and give the money for him. Now, yeah, I am, my lord, proposing to searching of the buyers. The buyers have not come up. Anyway, my lord, I am going to sell that property. Even otherwise, I am ready to argue on address merit on the merits of the case.
You want the matter to be argued on the merits, or you want to stick to that proposal what has come forward?
My lord, the proposal as submitted last time, my lord.
No,
the-
you will sell and
Please,
give the
ma'am.
money. So selling is asking time, that's one. If you're not interested for that and the
Yes.
matter has to be heard on merits,
And-
that also is ready. Which one you want?
Please, ma'am. Reasonable time may be given for them to
A
sell.
month?
The last one.
It is submitted that when the petitioner has come up with a proposal that he is ready to transfer the property in the name of the respondent for a full and final settlement, the respondent was not interested and interested. And on the last occasion, when the matter came up, this court has suggested that the petitioner himself would can sell the property and give the money. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he is making all his efforts to sell the property, and so a month's time may be granted so that he may get the prospective buyer. This is a matter after a month.
Let interim order subsisting may be continued.
Much obliged.
Case number 30.
I appear for the
The
respondent.
petitioner in this matter, your lordship, in this matter, 1,20,20 lakh rupees already deposited amount, your lordship.
How
Now,
much?
1,20,000.
Kindly peruse the interim order 23/8/24, my lord.
1 minute. Twenty-three, 8/24.
Yes, my lord. At para number 3, my lord. Considering the submission. The impugned order passed and so and so on the is stayed on the condition that the petitioner husband shall continue to pay amount of rupees 5,000 every 5th of every month and also arrears of 1,80,000. The next paragraph, my lord, if either a sum of 5,000 or a sum
So
of 1
anyhow,
lakh.
how much is the amount deposited?
Lordship, total 1,80,000 rupees is arrears, your lordship. In this amount, 1,20,000 rupees
How
already.
can you, then that still
Your
will be
lordship, another
vacated.
60,000 is remaining, your lordship. Today I am ready to pay the your lordship.
But
That amount is ready, your lordship.
And what about continuing to pay 5,000?
Your lordship, that is continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ
Then we'll do one thing, I'll vacate this interim order. And what is the purpose of granting a conditional order? And you don't even ask for extension of time.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು
When is it passed?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲೋಕ್ ಅದಾಲತ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು
When?
lordship in the lok adalat lok adalat is not yet settled, your lordship, and after
It's not
There's
going
not-
to all that. There is an interim order, which is a conditional order.
yes, your lordship.
If you are not able to comply with the order, are there any other reasons, or you wanted time?
Lordship,
You should have asked for time. You didn't ask. Now, when the matter
No,
comes
no,
up,
no.
you say so many things.
no my lord, already I am 2-3 time amount is deposited before this honorable court, and that time interim order is extension, your lordship.
So, 1,20,000 you deposited.
$20,000
You have to pay 60,000.
yes, your lordship.
Then from 23/8/2024 till now, another 11 months. So 11 into 5, 55. So it comes to
60 plus 50.
1,15,000 you have to deposit. Otherwise, I
Lordship.
will vacate the stay.
Your lordship, in this matter, if either sum of 5,000 rupees per
It's
month,
not either. If you don't, either you don't do that or you don't this, either ways you can go.
R is there, your lordship.
Huh?
Your lordship,
He's-
if either
you
sum
are
of
interpreting the interim order.
Yes.
no, your lordship.
Is
If either a sum of rupees 5,000 per month by every succeeding month, or a sum of rupees 1,80,000, that means either that or this. That means do that, but not this. That's not the order.
Please, Your Lordship. On short date, maybe Your Lordship, I'll pay other.
1,15,000.
Now today 60,000 rupees I will.
How are you paying?
Your Lordship, now only.
Give them.
40,000 rupees cash is there, and 20,000 I will pay, phone pay, Your Lordship. Google Pay.
Pass over,
Kindly
do whatever
pass
you
over
want
my-
to
Please,
do.
please.
I'll record
Fine.
it in the afternoon.
Please.
Yes.
Cell number 31. Madhukar M. Deshpande.
For the petitioner, for an adjournment, my lords.
What adjournment? RPFC of 2024. See, what is it?
It's for the listed for the admission, my lords, challenge the order of the trial court. Wherein, my lords, the share of the petitioner number 1 is excluded.
Come to the impugned order. Where is the operative portion of the order? Let's see. The petition filed by the petitioner is hereby allowed in part. Wife's case is dismissed. Notice to the respondent.
Cell number 32. Sri Krishna Heke for petitioner.
Petitioner, my lords.
Sri Harsha.
Petitioner's husband, my lords, challenging the impugned order passed by the family court, Davangere, my lords, awarding the 10,000 of maintenance to the wife and also the children's, my lords. My lords, in this matter, my lords, the assets and liability has not been taken on record of both the parties, and the husband, that is the respondent, the petitioner herein, has not cross-examined the respondent, my
Waiting
lords.
for.
Husband, my lords. Husband has filed this petition, my lords.
So how much is granted?
My lords, 10,000, my lords, 5,000 for the wife and
And
2,000.
what is your income?
My lords, as of now, my lords, I have agriculture property that has been disputed. I am unable to get the amount, my lords. And even, my lords, as of today, wife and children are staying with me. I am taking care of them in the same roof. But prior to filing the petition, my lords, she was not staying with me, and subsequently she joined my company.
As of now, shall I record that?
Please, my lords, these are the instructions, my
So the
lords.
petitioner submits that. As on the date the application is filed, the wife is not residing with him, nor the children and the wife are with him. And further, is an agriculturist and he cannot pay an amount of rupees. The court, without having the assets and liabilities of both the parties, have granted this amount. Further, as the wife and children are staying with him, the order needs to be stayed, considering the fact that the parties are staying together, there shall be stay of all further proceedings pursuant to the order dated so and so, notice to the respondent.
Grateful, my lords.
Cell number 33. Because M.
The petitioner, my lord. Settlement talks are going on, my lord. Pray for 8 weeks time, my lord. There's already an interim order passed. They're directing me to pay 7,000 per month. Accordingly, I'm complying, my lord. Now settlement talks are going on. They're not yet divorced.
Where the settlement talks are going on?
Chikmagalur, my lord. There, my lord, execution petition they had filed, my lord. Meanwhile, I filed this petition, my lord. 10,000 was ordered. So when I challenged, my lord, this court, my lord, directed me to pay 7,000 per month, subject to disposal of the present petition.
10,000 was the amount granted.
Yes. Now 7,000 has been ordered.
Post of final hearing, intermod earlier granted is extended until further orders. Yes. Next.
Cell number 34. Sri Ram Singh for petitioner.
No representation. List this matter on 8th of September. If there is an interim order, don't extend it.
Cell number 35.
Whenever there is no representation, don't extend interim order.
35. Aishwarya
For the
Hegde, MP,
petition,
for
petitioner, lordship, husband's petition challenging the maintenance that was granted. On the last occasion, this honorable court stayed the order on the condition that I pay 7,500 per month. I'm placing a memo on record that I've complied with the.
Then counsel for the petitioner submits that the interim order that is passed by this court is complied with, and they're continuing to pay the amount. Though notice is served on the respondent, there is no wakalat is filed on behalf of the respondent. Admit post of final hearing, the interim order granted is extended until further orders.
Cell number 36. Dilbhai Doshi Sekwara.
For respondent, my lords, they have not served the copy of the petition, my lords. I press time to file objection.
Then counsel for the petitioner should serve the copy of the petition on the counsel for the respondent. This is matter on 31st. Yes, next.
Cell number 37 adjourned. Cell number 38. Please Swami Gowda.
This is a wife's petition for enhancement of maintenance.
Where is the other side?
Ravi Kumar BR.
No representation for the respondent. Counsel for the petition is present. List the matter on 30th.
Cell number 39. GM Srinivas Reddy.
Petitioner.
I appear for respondent, my lord.
Last
By
time-
virtue of the interim order, my lord, maintenance being paid, my lord. And now, my lord, they offered one site, my lord. That is not agreeable by the respondent, my lord, since he has many properties and one site and one house site in Elanka and landed properties in Andhra Pradesh, my lord, Chittor, my lord. And
Worth how much?
Please, my lord.
It is worth how much?
More than lakhs, my lord.
What is the worth? What is
Site
the?
is situated in Bangalore, my lord. The more than ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ?
I'm filing statement of
30 lakhs
objection.
ಆಗ್ತದಂತೆ.
And the other property?
Joint family property, Chittur, my lord, 2 acres, 3 acres is there.
What is worth that property?
He is working as a plumber in Bangalore.
I'm asking what would be the worth of that property?
Agriculture land.
How much? It will have some value.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎಂತೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದ? 1.5 acre ಅಂತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
How much is value?
1.5 acre.
Value.
ಎಂತ ಐತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ? 3.5 lakhs.
Acre is 3.5 lakhs. So he's giving 1.5 acres.
That is the giant family, my lord.
Understand.
He is working here as a plumber. He is having a own site here.
No,
That
what
is-
else she wants? No, it is.
You are ready to give this?
around 35 lakhs.
My lord, say 2 children are there, my lord.
Ask-
She's looking after them, my lord. He has not bore the education expenses, my lord. She's looking after them with the help of the brother, my lord. And he is, my lord, his capacity, my lord, to look after the children, my lord. I'm filing statement of objection.
What is the amount granted by the court?
My lord, only 5,000, my lord.
5,000 is granted. Have you filed enhancement petition?
No, my lord.
You have not filed enhancement petition.
Please, my lord.
So 5 lakhs per year, how much it will be? That's 60,000.
Please, my lord.
So, like during her lifetime, will this amount be, he'll be paying by way of maintenance? 35 lakhs is coming forward. And you say that without even filing an application for enhancement, they have come questioning that order. And when they're ready, why is she not understanding?
My lord, she wants hard cash, my lord. They are
Okay.
offering the site, my lord. She wanted, I mean, in terms of cash, my lord.
Let him sell and
Kindly
give
say
him.
she is working as, he is running a
Please, all
embroidery
that
and
you-
other things.
now
my
we are
lord.
on a settlement,
We are
Mr. Counsel.
regularly paying the amount, my lord. He is
We are on a settlement. Don't go on to the merits of the matter.
Yes, yes. We are ready to give
That's
this.
what I'm saying. If you understand what the court is saying, then you will be able to answer. Now, he is ready to offer a site.
Yes.
She wants money. Why can't you sell and give the money to her?
Yes. We'll discuss it.
Is he understanding what the
Yes,
court
yes,
is
yes.
saying?
Both of them are Telugu, my lord. They're native.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ అమ్మి ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా?
ప్రాపర్టీ పిల్లలు పెట్టిస్తాను.
పిల్లలకి ఇస్తావా? మరి పిల్లల ఖర్చులు ఎవరు పెడతారు?
ఖర్చులు నాకు పని లేదు మేడం, నేనే ఇందిరా క్యాంటీన్ తీసుకుంటాను.
మరి అందుకనే అమ్మిస్తే ఆమె చూసుకుంటది కదా?
ఇచ్చేది అంతే ఒట్టుగా.
ఆమె చూసుకుంటది కదా, నీకెందుకు ఎటు నువ్వు పట్టించుకోవట్లేదు, ఆమె పట్టించుకుంటుంది. అది ఇప్పుడు అమ్మేసి ఇచ్చేసాం అనుకో, ఏం చేసుకుంటారో వాళ్ళు చేసుకుంటారు, నీకేంటి సంబంధం? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు పట్టించుకుంటుంటే అనుకోవచ్చు, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు పట్టించుకోవట్లేదు, నీ దగ్గర డబ్బులు లేవని చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఆమె చేసుకుని వచ్చు కదా, ఇదేదో సెటిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా ఏదో ఒకటి.
చేసుకోవాలంటే మేడం వాళ్ళు ఒప్పుకోలేదు మేడం.
సరే ఇప్పుడు సంగతి చెప్పు, అప్పుడు సంగతి వదిలే. ఇప్పుడు అమ్మ డబ్బులు కావాలంటుంది, అమ్మేసి డబ్బులు ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా ఆమెకి.
వాళ్ళకే చెప్పాను మేడం, మీరే అమ్మండి, మీరే అమ్ముకోండి.
ఎందుకు నువ్వు అమ్మలేవా?
నాకు అంత కెపాసిటీ లేదు మేడం, నేను పోలేను. He is suffering some.
My lord, he has admitted in his own objections, my lord, that he is giving the properties to his daughters and 50,000 will be deposited in the name of the daughters, my lord. He himself has admitted in the objections, my lord, in the family court, my lord. That also I am produced, my lord. He has admitted in his objection.
If your client is not coming forward, it's at risk. 5,000 rupees, no enhancement petition.
Well,
So
only
even if
2,000
If this court confirms this, what will happen?
Well, only 2,500 she is receiving, my lord. It's not, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. Now I will allow this. I will dismiss their petition.
Please, my lord.
How much you will get?
My lord, let the trial court decide, my lord, seeing all this permanent alimony or something like that, my lord. Let the trial court decide, my lord, with all the evidence after evidence. I'm filing objections, my lord.
What objections? Why objections?
Statement.
No objections here. Where is impute order?
Page number 61, my lord.
Either they should understand on their own or they should listen to the advocate. Otherwise, their
Even
entire life
in
will be around the
mediation,
courts.
mediation also, my lord, we told them, my lord, she didn't agree for the.
Her life will be in the courts like this.
Well, I told
without
her.
no amount. And how many? 2 children?
2 children, girl children.
నేను
madam.
మాట్లాడు-
She want to
ఇద్దరు
talk.
పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు మేడం 10 సంవత్సరాలు ఇంకా నేనే చూసుకుంటాను రూపాయి కూడా ఇవ్వలేదు మేడం. ఇప్పుడు మొన్న ఇక్కడ ఒక
ఇప్పుడు ఎంతో మరి ఎందుకు ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ ఎందుకు వేయలేదు?
మేడం
ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ ఎందుకు వేయలేదు ఇక్కడ?
Enhancement.
అంటే అంటే ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ అంటే అర్థం-
Close relatives, my lord, is the sister's daughter only.
Where is impute order?
ఆ పిల్లలకు ఫీజు పే చేయాలి.
Page number
చాలా
61.
కష్టంగా ఉంది.
61.
5,000 rupees from the date of application. Will confirm this order. The
My
agreed
lord,
with the order passed.
maybe take it into record, my lord. He has landed properties and.
That why should I record all that? As far as the trial court order is concerned, it's like the trial court has granted a reasonable maintenance. I will not interfere. When you have not filed an enhancement petition, why should I go
I'll
into
file
other
it,
aspects?
I'll file it.
Not filing. When is it this? He has filed it in when? 2024. Agreed with orders passed on I number 4 in criminal miscellaneous number 467 of 2023, dated 20th February 2024, whereby the court granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 1,000 to the petitioner, 2,000 each for the children, 1,000 per month for the maintenance of the wife, and altogether an amount of rupees 5,000 is granted. The husband is before this court and counsel appearing for the husband submits that the husband is working as a coolie, working as a, what is that he is doing? Plumber. He's working as a plumber and he has no sufficient income. Working as a plumber and is not in a position to pay the maintenance. When counsel appearing for the respondent submits that that he is having landed properties and from the last 10 years, the wife is taking care of the children and the mother, then the husband is not contributing anything. When this matter came up on the last occasion, this court has asked the advocates to explore the possibility of settlement. Today, the parties are present before the court and the husband, parties are present before the court and counsel appearing for the husband submits that he is ready to give 2 properties worth about 35 lakhs. Then counsel for the respondent submits that the wife is not entitled, the wife is not interested for the same and she wants money and her husband is having landed properties. This court is not able to understand when the husband is ready to give 35 lakhs worth the property to the wife and when the maintenance that is awarded is 5,000 and the wife without even filing a petition for maintenance is not agreeable for the said settlement, be that as it may, the order that is passed by the tribunal, by the family court, the considered opinion of this court is a well considered one, and for 2 children and a wife, granting an amount of rupees 5,000 is not an excessive amount, irrespective of what the husband is doing. In that view of the matter, this court do not find any reasons to interfere. Dismissed.
Cell number 40, Babu TC for petitioner.
Again for the petitioner. My lord,
Appear
senior
for-
is being hearing in
appear for
court.
respondent in this
Kindly
matter.
pass over, my lord. Pass over, my lord.
What is this? Morning
The-
40. What is the impute order?
My lord, actually I'm proxy counsel.
You that?
They said 15,000 interim maintenance has been awarded by the family
Tomorrow,
court.
this is matter tomorrow at the request of then counsel for the petitioner. Next 42.
Cell number 42. 42. Let
Hearing
it
for
be.
petition, my lordship. There is an interim order passed by this honorable court which has been complied, my lordship. For
Admit post of final hearing, call for the TCR. Interim order granted earlier is made absolute. Yes.
Cell number 43. Clear, Gerald.
Complied with the order, my lord, and is continued to pay, my lord. The interim order is complete.
No representation for the respondent. Then counsel for the petitioner submits that they are continuing to pay the amount. Continuing to comply with the order passed by this court. Admit post of final hearing, call for the post of final hearing. An interim order granted earlier is extended until further orders.
Much obliged.
Cell number 44. Babu Rao M for
No
petitioner.
representation for dismissal on 30th.
Cell number 45. 45 adjourned. Cell number 46. Krishnamurthy.
Correspondent wife.
Yes.
Challenging the interim order, A number 3. Respondent herein filed IFR interim maintenance.
How much is granted?
20,000 is granted.
20,000
20,000.
to the wife and the children.
No, only
Only
education
children.
and expenses of the children. Two children is there.
For the 2 children, 10,000 each is
Yes,
granted.
page number
No
59.
maintenance to the wife.
No,
Maintenance is not sought.
no.
What is the salary of the wife?
Now wife, she is working after the petition 4 6 months back. She's a teacher, a private, 20,000 rupees. She's
What is the salary of the husband?
87,000.
now at
Mechanical
present
engineer.
1,20,000 is getting.
What is the difficulty? Why have you questioned this order?
45,000 is personal loan and house rent is 15,000 and aged mother medical expenses.
Who will take care of your children?
My lords,
Who will take care of your children? You will take care of your mother and your house, your loan.
he is educated in MSc graduate and more than
She is
25,000.
not asking.
And his only daughter, their parents and residing with their parents. Petitioner is ready to maintain the wife and children. Respondent not ready to with me.
Lordship, in the assets and liability affidavit of the appellant, he states that dependent, mother is about 16 years and 2 sisters. 2 sisters are married.
Agreed with the order passed in I number 3 and 4 in MC number 3/881 of 2021 dated 22nd November 2023, whereby the court had granted 10,000 each maintenance, that is an amount of rupees 20,000 for the maintenance of the 2 children. The father is before this court. The respondent mother has filed who filed the MC?
Mothers.
Filed the MC for divorce.
No.
Husband.
The appellant has filed for divorce. We are respondent there.
That's what I asked.
Wife
Who
is,
filed the MC?
wife is respondent.
The
Husband
MC is
filed the
filed with the
petition.
Husband filed.
Filed the MC seeking divorce. The wife had filed the IA seeking interim maintenance. Seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees
30,000.
30?
30,000.
30,000 for the maintenance of the 2 children. It's a case of the wife that, as on that day, she is unemployed.
Yes. Now she is working.
It is submitted that
Now she is getting 20,000.
35,000 for the maintenance of the 2 children. The petitioner, the husband was working and earning to 87,000.
Now at present is an,
I'm asking at that time.
yes, sir.
87,000 is working and earning an amount of rupees 87,000. And the 87,000. The husband has filed his objection stating that he has to take care of his wife, his 2 sisters. He has to pay the home loan. He has to pay the EMI. He has to pay all other expenses are there. As such, he cannot pay the said maintenance. The court, having considered the evidence on record, had granted an amount of rupees 20,000. While granting the amount, the court had observed that the respondent is MSc. No. The application is filed seeking maintenance to the wife and to the children. According to the wife, she is unemployed and so amount is required. The court had partly allowed and as far as the wife's claim is concerned, is dismissed and granted an amount of rupees 20,000. Now come to the the discussion. That the court has observed that the wife is a MSc degree holder and she is also capable to earn. After the separation, the wife is taking care of the children and the education. And the husband has not produced any document, refer to them as wife and husband. The husband has not produced any document to show that he has taken responsibility of the children. The court observed that the father he has a responsibility to take care of the children and contribute for their education. And so court, considering the salary of the husband had granted 20,000, and when the wife has claimed 3 lakhs as litigation expenses, court had granted 20,000 per month. No, where is the litigation? How much is the litigation expenses?
Litigation expenses.
Not granted.
Not granted.
But
Only
the litigation
20,000.
expenses were not granted.
Not granted.
Next para. Having the land counsel appearing for the petition submits to the court without considering the fact what are the requirements of the husband and what are the income he is earning and what are his expenditures, has granted 20,000, which is on the higher side. Land counsel appearing for the respondent wife submits that at the time of the petition it was 87,000. Now he's earning 1 lakh.
1,20,000.
1,20,000 now. It is submitted that now the wife is also working and she is earning an amount of rupees 20,000.
20,000 she is earning.
20,000 per month. It is submitted that the father has an obligation to maintain the child, and the court considering all that is granted an amount of rupees 20,000. In fact, that is on the lower side and no interference is called for. Next para. Considering the submission of both the counsels, there is a material on record. The husband's income is 87,000 as on that day, and according to the respondent, it is 1 lakh and odd. Even considering 87,000, the court had not granted maintenance to the wife, but only to the children. The husband, whose salary is 87,000, has a responsibility to take care of the child, and the court, considering all the aspects, had granted 20,000. In the considered opinion of this court, the amount of 20,000 that is granted by the court is a well-considered one. No interference is called for. Accordingly dismissed. Next.
47
Please.
adjourned. 48. Jairamaya for petitioner. Shashank Sridhar for respondent.
Yeah, here for the respondent members on this. 91 notice has been rejected. 91, section 91 application was filed by the petitioner before the court below for the second time. First time, there was an interim application with
No representation on behalf of the petitioner. Counsel for the respondent is present. List this matter for dismissal on 25th.
Bill number 49. K. Prasanna Shetty for
For the
petitioner.
petitioner in this case, my lords, I made a submission yesterday, regarding the
I've asked you
enhancement of the
something.
maintenance. For the enhancement of the maintenance part, my lords, I made a submission, and the notice is served to the opposite side.
How it is served is, that's why it is adjourned. Postal share showing item delivered to respondent as per postal track report is kept in, is agreed with the order passed by the family court in MC number 54 of, in IN number 3, in MC number 54 of 2024 dated 25th September 2024. The wife is before this court. The court by order impugned had granted an amount of rupees 25,000 per month toward maintenance of the twin daughters application and also directed to pay litigation expenses of rupees 30,000. The petition is filed by the wife seeking maintenance of 50,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Seeking maintenance of 50,000. The court had granted an amount of rupees 25,000 as maintenance, considering the fact that an amount of rupees 30,000 is already being deposited by the, is being paid by the husband. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the husband is not paying an amount of rupees 20 to 30,000 as stated, and the court, without considering all these aspects, had granted only 25,000. It is submitted that the salary of the
Husband is 36 lakhs per annum.
his salary is 36 lakhs per annum, and the amount that is claimed by the wife
Not
is
filed the statement of the assets and the
50,000. The claimed 50,000. It is submitted that he has failed to file his statement of assets and liabilities. And it is submitted that in the light of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in Rashesh versus Neha, an adverse inference has to be drawn. It is submitted that now, as he has not, by way of the statement of assets and liabilities, as he has not filed the statement of assets and liabilities, as asserted by the petitioner, wife in the petition that is earning 36 lakhs per annum has to be considered. Next paragraph. Though notice is served on the respondents, no wakalat is filed. This court has perused the order. As rightly submitted by the land counsel for the petition, no statement of assets and liabilities are filed by the husband. Hence, an adverse inference has to be drawn. The wife has claimed 50,000, and according to the husband is paying 30,000. Court has granted 25,000, and it's a case of the wife that he is not paying 30,000. The husband is also neither he has filed the statement of assets and liabilities before the court, nor he has taken steps to appear before this court. In that view of the matter, this court deems it appropriate to pass the following order. Accordingly, the order dated so and so is modified, and the petitioner is granted an amount of rupees 50,000 as maintenance. Accordingly allowed. Yes.
Bill number 50. Devendrappa H for petitioner. K. Vasu.
Praying for the petitioner, I pray for a week's time to take instructions from my client, my lordship.
On what
Interim
instruction?
order was passed, my lordship.
You have a stay. What instructions?
My lordship, they have not complied with the interim order, my lordship.
The list is matter day after tomorrow. By the time with the interim order that is passed by this court.
One more submission, my lordship. I filed a writ petition from my side for enhancement.
If the
So
interim
we
order
can-
is not complied with by day after tomorrow, the stay granted on 18/2/2025 stands vacated.
Allows to serve
List
someone.
along with, so and
FR
so.
number
Write
217.
on a paper and give it to the court officer.
Kindly have it on Monday because the petitioner.
Monday, this is matter on Monday. By day after tomorrow, it is not paid. The stay granted by this court stands vacated.
But at least till Monday, my lordship next.
Monday.
My lordship has said by day after tomorrow it is to be paid.
Monday.
Till
That
Monday.
is
it is.
Monday, yes. Next.
Bill number 51. Rajshekar S.
For enhancement,
Hmm.
sought for 25,000 rupees, trial court, family court granted 10,000.
Hmm.
I have a child also, my lords, to take care.
Let's see the evidence. What's the income of the husband?
Please, my lords.
Income
Income, my
of-
lords, in the affidavit he has not disclosed. That is what is recorded by the trial court also. I have produced the affidavit of assets and liabilities, which is available at page 54. Conveniently has not, my lords, stated anything about his income.
Please come to the impugned order.
Please, impugned order is at annexure A. Lord's relevant portion is at page 19. Reason starts from 19, relevant 20. The petitioner has filed affidavit regarding assets and liabilities and also produced so many documents regarding education of the child. In her affidavit, she has shown her qualification as SLC and income is nil. She has paid more than rupees 1 lakh for education of the child, and she is contended that she has pledged her gold ornament and silver articles and also taken loan from the education and maintenance.
How the notice is served in this?
Notice served and represented.
Court notice?
Yes, please.
Court notice.
That is what cause list says.
Sometimes they're not keeping that postal share in this, not able to understand.
I have also served to the council representing the respondent, Lords.
As per the note, what it is?
As per the note, they are not served, but unrepresented.
Instruct them, whenever this notice served kind, in the file it should be found how it is served. Because again, they will come up with the second round of litigation. The agreed with the order passed in I number 2 in C miscellaneous number 566 of 22. dated
29/12/2023.
29/12/2023. The wife is before this court seeking enhancement of the maintenance. The wife has filed the petition seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees 25,000 per month for herself and the child. The wife has filed a statement of assets and liabilities showing that that she is spending an amount of rupees 1 lakh for education and her qualification is SSLC. And she is taking loans and also pledging the gold and silver ornaments, and basing on the amount that she is getting from that, she's spending it towards education and other and she's meeting her maintenance as well as educational expenses of the child. The court by order impugned had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 10,000. While granting the maintenance, the court has considered the fact that the husband has not filed, though has filed a statement of assets and liabilities, has not stated anything with regard to his income. Secondly, the court, and secondly, his contention is that the wife has voluntarily deserted him and she is not entitled for any maintenance. The court, considering the fact that the wife is only SSLC pass and she is taking care of the child, has granted an amount of rupees 10,000. Next para. When counsel appearing for the petitioner, wife submits that the husband conveniently had not filed the though had filed the statement of assets and liabilities, has not disclosed his income, and he submitted that as per the law laid down by the apex court in Rashish versus Neighbor, or adverse inference needs to be drawn. It is submitted that considering the requirements of the wife and the child, the court ought to have granted 25,000 maintenance as sought for by the wife. Next part. This court had permitted the counsel for the petitioner to take out notice on the counsel appearing for the respondent and file a memo to that effect. And he has filed the memo, and the notice is served on the counsel appearing for the respondent before the trial court. In addition to that, the court has also issued the notice, and the same is served, and no on wakalat is filed on behalf of the respondent. Next part. When the wife has filed an application seeking maintenance and filed a statement of assets and liabilities, the husband, having filed the statement of assets and liabilities, ought to have disclosed the income. And he has not disclosed the income before the trial court, and he has not come before this court. And he is unrepresented, unrepresented before this court. All this conduct of the husband shows that with an intention to avoid the payment of maintenance, he has not appeared, neither he has appeared before this court, nor he has disclosed his income before the trial court. In that view of the matter, this court deems it appropriate to grant an amount of, this court deems it appropriate to pass the following order. The order dated so and so is modified, and the amount of the amount of maintenance is enhanced from 10,000 to 25,000.
The date of the application.
That's all. That it will follow from that only.
Yes. Great.
Huh? Yes, next.
Serial number 52.
For petitioner,
Either the
I request Lordship to consider the interim prayer, Lordship.
was
The interim maintenance has been order passed by the trial court. The child for 25,000
The
per month.
respondent shall pay before the actual school expenses. Where are they? The counsel for the petition
Kindly,
is
because
present.
day after tomorrow is our matter is there
Tomorrow will
for
see.
payment.
Counsel for the petition is present. No representation for the respondent. This is matter tomorrow.
serial number
Yes.
53, 54 adjourned. Serial number 55. 55. Ramachandra.
What is the matter?
The application, maintenance application
Maintenance
filed by the
application.
husband has been rejected. That had been challenged.
Maintenance application of the husband is
Husband, both applications, both are filed.
Rejected, my lord.
Wife and the
tomorrow.
Serial number 30. Serial number 30, your lordship.
30.
Amount is paid, your lordship.
Yes, take that 30
Sir,
mark.
45.
Where is the party? This court had passed an interim order on 23/8/2024 and granted stay on the condition that the petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 5,000 by 5th of every succeeding month and shall also pay an amount of rupees 1,80,000, 1,80,000 1,80,000 within a period of 8 weeks. 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. It is submitted with the land counsel appearing to the respondent that so far an amount of rupees 1,20,000 is deposited. And as per the order, another 60,000 remains to be paid. And from the date of order till now, monthly 5,000 they are not paying. And all that amount now that will come to 1,15,000.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
Your Lordship.
Today he has paid 60,000.
Another 55,000 is per month 5,000 rupees. Yeah, now 55,000.
55,000.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is 60,000.
In this 55,000, 2 months already paid. I think
Then you, did they let them, if you paid, you can show.
60,000 they have paid
That
to them.
60,000, it is submitted that they have paid that 60,000 in the amount of 1,80,000. And the land counsel for the respondent also submits that the same is received by the respondent.
Yes, madam.
Then when it comes to the 5,000, from the date of order till now, it is 55,000. According to the petitioner, he has paid an amount for 2 months an amount of rupees 10,000, which is denied by the land counsel for the respondent. By the next date of hearing, land counsel for the petitioner shall place before the court the material to show that the said amount is paid. Hence, the amount of rupees 45,000 shall be paid by when?
1 month, Your Lordship.
Shall be paid within 4 weeks.
Please.
And from this month, from the 5th of next month, he shall continue to pay.
Please.
On that condition, the stay is extended by the next date of hearing. If the amount is not paid, this court will not extend further time. List the matter. Today is what date? 16th. List this matter on 18th of August.
My lord, meanwhile, my lord, LCR may be called for my.
This RPFC call for the trial court record. Yes, next. Done? No signatures.
So,